So we're at the first island of our trip.
Yep.
And we were fishing. Honestly,
I've already caught 2 fish.
yeah, we didn't film it because we're in the moment.
Yeah.
Remember that back in the 90s? Being in the moment. Anyway, so I just thought I should get some footage. Even though John helped me, like I couldn't reel them in. Yeah, I'm just.
Oh, I have one.
Oh, yay, you got one.
Is this the same? No. Okay, no, we're back. You're back? Ah, okay. Back? Okay.
Fish are our friends.
How do I get him?
Oh, baby, come here. Come here, baby. Come here.
I have to grab him. Come on, buddy.
You want to live, right? Come on. Stay strong.
Oh, that was interesting, to say the least.
I go back inside. I hot.
Okay. I keep fishing a little.
Okay, I'll see you later. Hey guys, I realized I never explained what we're doing today. So what we're doing is this yacht trip thing where you go to 3 islands and like there's like fishing and snorkeling and stuff like that. And so this is really cool. John's obviously fishing right now. I don't have any makeup on because I didn't see the point of it. If I'm gonna probably most likely get what. So John's about to go snorkeling and I'm gonna vlog him because living vicariously through John. Also, John can swim and I can't, so. Baby, you excited?
Oh yeah, I am. I'm just struggling to get this on. That's what I am.
If you have American shoe sizes, they're hard. Or is it because everyone took them?
Maybe everyone, because everyone took them already.
Probably.
Some like
Struggling.
Like the neglected flat.
John is back from his adventure. You have like red spots all over your face.
Yeah, because of this.
Oh.
Yeah.
You have fun?
Yeah, it was a blast. Got to learn how to snorkel.
Oh my god, you have bruises too.
Oh yeah, I fell off the dock trying to get back up.
Baby.
Yeah, it's okay. It's not a sport for the weak. No. But yeah, I'm gonna shower real quick.
Okay, no problem. Bye bye. So food, we got like a bunch of, it's like a buffet, and we're gonna eat. What are you doing, big boy?
There's a rock right here.
A rock.
I hope.
What? You want me to sit on it?
Yeah, you can sit. So. Here you go. Yeah, you gotta sit properly. You got it. Yeah, it'll push you and pull you. So you gotta be prepared for that.
Look at that! I'm just taking a nap. I'm dying of heat right now. It's so hot. Oh my god, look at what's happening. I'm actually terrified, but... Ugh. Honestly, this is probably the most terrifying thing I've ever done. They're scary. At least to me. They jump on you and stuff, and I don't like it. Don't like it one bit. Hey guys, I'm actually still in my bathing suit because me and John are supposed to go to the pool after this, but I wanted to do some souvenir shopping and just shopping in general, and so I decided that I was gonna go by myself. No, I actually didn't decide. John decided I was gonna go by myself because it's kind of a small thing, but we'll see. We'll see how this goes. I don't know. The only thing that scares me is the roads because it like terrifies me here. Like it's wild. So I got a baby accomplishment done. I actually, what's the word? Oh, I actually crossed the street, but I went with a group of people, but I like ran, like I jetted across the street. But I'm still proud of myself because I was terrified of doing it. So at this point, it's better than like where I was at, where I was scared. I also want to go to that thing, like the bazaar thing, but John never wanted to go, so I'm just gonna go by myself. It's still open when I'm done with the mall. I'm really out of breath. Like honestly, I don't understand how I'm so out of breath. Like as a healthy adult, I should not be this out of breath walking like 2-3 blocks. As a New Yorker, I shouldn't be so out of breath. Like, see, moving in with John and him having a car just did not help my health. Because apparently I don't know how to walk anymore. So. But yeah. And also, my mom never said what she wanted, so now I have to like figure out what she wants. I'm like, that's gonna be fun. So I texted her, or called her online, and she just didn't answer. So vlogging in public is probably weird, but it's like calming me down. Even though I'm talking really, really fast, and you might think, oh, she's not calm, but I'm a lot more calmer than if I was just by myself. Ow, ow, fuck! I like hurt my foot. Somehow. I think once I get in the mall, I'll be fine. Also, it's our last night here, so I mean, technically, we leave at like 3 a.m. on Saturday, so it's technically Friday. Today's Thursday. Okay, got in the mall. Yay! I'll actually explain why I'm so scared to walk around by myself because there is an actual reason. I'm not just being paranoid. But.